frame, and he switches his stances a little bit, throws some nice kicks.
Just vicious with those kicks.
Beautiful double leg to the inside trip. And now the positions have reversed. Ponce on top, inside Naimov's guard, but Naimov trying to hop into the Kimura.
Kimura hunting right here. Oof, but the punches negate that. Wow, we got a
that's
Kimura
deep.
locked in tight. He's about to finish. Is he gonna tap?
Well, how is he even holding on right now?
Wow. He does not want to lose this fight.
Flexible shoulders right there.
Wow. That was in super deep. He had it extended all the way back. I mean, nothing wrong there in the technique of Naimov. It's just, you know, the great flexibility of Ponce, and he didn't want to quit. He didn't want to give up. But now he's hunting for an arm triangle, and he has to mind his P's and Q's here, or else he's going to get choked out.
And I have a small little correction to make. On the stat sheet, it said 37 years old for Naimov. He's actually 27. Oh, and you saw Ponce throw out his mouthpiece.
That's tight.
Oh, with 10 seconds left. So correction, the 27-year-old Muhammad Naimov gets the finish, now entering or going to enter his prime. Still has a few years to do so. And again, training at Team Elevation with Corey Sandhagen doing his thing, putting in the work, and tapping out the ground fighter.